before V phi happens, and so on. Okay, and then V phi needs to happen before I pour water, so V7. So you can see there is a dependency graph here, okay, where the vertices are the tasks and the edges say that some task has to be finished before some other task can be started. All right. Otherwise, we might end up just pouring water without placing a kettle on the boiler, and that's dangerous. Or we might add milk without boiling the water. We might put the tea bag in cold water. That's not going to make very good tea. All right. So we need a way by which we can, given a graph like this, a directed acyclic graph, we need to sort it. So in this case, let's put V1 first, and then V2, and maybe V5, and then V3, V4, V6, and this is called the topological sort, such that every edge goes from, so you place the vertices in ascending order such that every edge goes from a lower ranked vertex to a higher ranked vertex. So V1 to V2, V1 to V3, V2 to V5. So every edge in the graph is going from an earlier vertex in my sort to the later vertex. All right, and this can only be done if your graph is a directed acyclic graph. If your graph has a cycle, you cannot do this kind of a sort. Why is that? Let's take an example of a cycle, T1, T2, T3. Now, no matter which one I place first, one of these edges is going to go backwards. So this can only work if your graph is a directed acyclic graph. So question is, given a DAG, print its topologically sorted order. How do you do it? All right, and here is the basic idea. So the basic idea is as follows. What we will do is we are going to run a DFS. So we are going to run a depth first search on this graph, trying to visit every node. So you'll have the outer loop that's going through every node and the inner loop that's going to do a DFS visit. Second step, we are simply going to sort the nodes in descending order according to their finish times. That's it. Okay, so we are going to do these two steps, which is we are going to first do a DFS, and then we are going to sort the nodes in descending order according to their finish times. And now the interesting thing is this: we can fold these two into a single DFS operation. So as you are doing DFS, as things are getting finished, we can add those nodes to the head of a list and we can be done.